E from MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com. About 20 minutes after 9 on the 27th of August 2019, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Let's take a quick peek at the market. I'd suggested that we had a 3-minute chart that I was looking at. And the reason is because I could see that it pivoted right here. And that's why I said 75 is our aggressive support. You can see it, just how we had this chop, chop, chop. And then this one bar turns the market around overnight. So that is my support as identified in the room. I said, let's use 75. All right, this bar right here. And I actually got up early today. I got up and I saw this at the time, and it was probably about 5 o'clock. It was just pulling back. I said, the heck with it, I'm going back to bed. And then when I get up, the thing is still moving. I could see it on this 3-minute chart. And so I've identified the target 2900.25, 2900 and a quarter. But I said, make sure you're paid pre-market by the 95, because you've got news at 9, we've got news at 10, you've got to work around it. So a couple of points left, and I'd suggested make sure that you are paid pre-market coming into this 28.98. And the support I had suggested after we got this punch bar right here was, let's remember that 88.5 was yesterday's high, and so we're going to use that for support until broken, with the idea that maybe we could scoot up a little bit higher pre-market. So that's the chart, and that's the methodology I was looking at, and I hope that makes sense. That's a continuation pattern. We looked at the monthlies. Monthlies are right here. Now we're challenging the 95 middle for the month, trying to get into this box. I've suggested that 29.10 and a quarter is a possibility today to get up and test the 5s to 10 region. And that's by the end of the day. I was thinking that would be a target that certainly a projected target that's potential. As we approach the psychology number at 29s pre-market, make sure you're paid. Anybody that wants to short, don't really have evidence yet of the boys shorting. Here's our 2-day range, 97 and a quarter. You can see this 2900 target right here. So a couple of points away from it. If you played pre-market and had a good run, lock something for sure. Don't make this a business. Don't sit here all day long. Get your work done, get your VIG, and then go play with the kids or whatever. I mean, that's the plan. Last post I had made was stops up, and we were now thinking at the 80. Remember, we started with the 75, then the 80. So we're going to move this right up now to 90. Okay, no sense in giving away 10 points to make 2 more. You know, so this low right in here, that's support until broken. That's our aggressive pivot. And we can see we've taken out yesterday's high. That's the beauty of these charts. You can see this stuff so clearly. And one more. Actually, 2 more. Here's our multi-day swing down to the new low, abandoned that 34, right? And then now we're up here. And so this is a retest of this breakdown, but this is the important one right here. This is the 3rd time through trade. And I believe it's the goal of the longs to try to get back up here. And it doesn't mean we can't get pullbacks, but that's ultimately their target, and perhaps even a 100-point target off of the low at 28.10 and a quarter. So that shows up. So that's not ruled out, Enro. Predictive market, you can see that it targets 2900. and then that 10 and a quarter. So not ruled out. I'm just using the system, plugging it in and saying, okay, show me what you think. Last chart. Angels and demons. 71.5 angel, demon currently. 95 is being lost. It's being taken out. There is no demon yet. All we have is a higher high. My suggestion at near 10 points above yesterday's high, make sure you are paid. All right, let's relax for a couple of minutes and get ready to rock and roll. If you've had a good morning, pre-market, lock it for sure.